So welcome back guys to another video. In this very video, I'm gonna show you how you can download manga for free of cost. Be it Attack on Titan, be it Death Note, be it any of the manga available out there, One Piece or any of this stuff. I really use this website a lot for the anime stuff. So go on to Google and search over there manga Nello. This website is really cool and I would personally say that it has helped me a lot because of its availability of every single manga out there. You just click on that and you will see over there this has lots of manga available from the latest to the newest to the very popular ones. Just need to search over there for any manga out there. If I search here AOT, or I will just search properly Attack on Titan, and it will give me a proper context of that. Attack on Titan, here it is. If I just search Attack on Titan, it will give me a detailed manga of Attack on Titan, and here you can just also read the chapter list or you can download it by chapter. So I will just click on last one and it will give me a chapter of that. I can read it over here also, and it is very effective method of reading it online itself. And here it is like complete detail of the manga which you can do, and obviously you can also download it, but for now I'm just showing you how you can do that and do that for the purpose of reading it online itself. So obviously you can download it from this website itself, you can read it online, and this one is very efficient website for you guys to read manga out there. So I hope that you learned something valuable from this video as well. If so, hit that like button, subscribe for more such videos coming in the very future to take map, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.